Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall and remove the Outlook app on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for apps. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and select that. And then to search this list, go ahead and search for Outlook. Best result should come back with Outlook. Go ahead and select that and then select uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Confirm by selecting uninstall. And then that should pretty much be about it, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.